And we're here to do this since it's officially opened. We got up this morning and got ourselves a boarding pass 37. I don't need a map. And here's the attraction poster. I didn't get to see this last time I was here. That's cool. A lot of friends. New friends here. Hey, the Dapper Dans are here. It's okay, buddy. You don't have to run. They're going to be here all day. What a nice way to walk into the park this morning. Hear the train in the background. Dapper Dans. My dude. Very cool. It's Sunday morning, by the way. We're doing Tiana.
I know, I'm so excited. I thought it'd be a lot longer before we get a chance to ride.
Nope.
We normally don't get up in the morning.
Yep.
But here we are.
Now, let's take a closer look. Since there's no one here in the mornings, I'll show you guys some of the new food items they have here. Spicy butter toffee peanuts. That sounds pretty good. Wait a minute. You can get your own restaurant fund, Abby. And Bananas Foster milk chocolate.
Sounds good.
Mardi Gras Melody popcorn. There's the Cajun Craze Crunch gummy frogs right here. And there's the spicy butter toffee peanuts. Sounds pretty good. Here inside the plaza, they're celebrating Tiana's Bayou Adventure with a butter pecan praline sundae. Didn't do a sundae, but we did do cold brew. Got the chocolate cold brew. Chocolate foam. And boarding is delayed right now. So we're kind of just hanging out. All the Main Street vehicles are out this morning. The horse trolley here. Yeah, that's one of the great things about the morning time here. Main Street vehicle all around the castle area is awesome, man. I know, he's awesome. Hey, that's cool. Horses of the Kingdom. Anytime I walk across the bridge here leading into Liberty Square, I always like to see this angle of the castle. This is the angle they used in the 70s on the Wonderful World of Disney, Walt Disney Presents. Look who's out. Good old Liver Lips. Hey look, Abby, it's Big Al. Wow, he did, is that Shaker? He's doing a great job with these right here out front of the Country Bear Jamboree, which will be opening very soon. Excuse me, Country Bear Musical Jamboree. I haven't really taken in all this yet, all the detail down here. They did just remove Brer Rabbit off the front of these locks. I did notice that when I rode the last time. I guess sending logs is a good sign. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun adventure just to see if we actually get on this bad boy today. Oh, do you? Okay, so they're loading, they're boarding. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's people on this bad thing. All right. Cool. I love that little frogs there. I said we'd be back, Critter Co-op, and we're back. And you're open. What is it? It's the possum.
So cute.
Yeah.
I don't know his name, but
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
Well, they got all the other, see the Bayou Bobcats here. been a long time since we've been inside this building. Wow, look at the portrait up here. Portrait's awesome. Got everybody up there. I noticed something on this guy. The rabbit's on the front. See? There he is, Brer Rabbit, right on the front of these vehicles. Wow, you can buy your own Firefly light. That's neat. Got them on display here. Oh, they're actually flying around. They're moving. There they are. A little charging port and everything. This is weird too. It's on the front of the frame here. See if I can get a close-up shot for you guys. There it is. That's cool. I love it, even if it's like a little Easter egg. Totally didn't realize they were making, looks like gumbo right here beneath the portrait. A lot of little details over here in this corner too. The record player, the C-sharp jug there, and Lewis's trumpet. Critter Co-op is awesome. I'm glad it's open. A lot of cool things in there for this attraction. Tons of merchandise. All right, it's our turn. Obviously had to unplug the microphone, but let's go ride. They got chicory in there too. Totally missed this last time. All right. Yeah, no more frogs. But we're in this bad boy.
Welcome, y'all. Let's meet up with Lewis and find some musicians for our party.
And it bands down.
Tell the people
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here, and they are cooking.
them to join the band for sure.
These cats can play.
Can't late, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How low can I go?
Oh, there she is. On my way. Hey, Odie. Oh, here we go. It's happening.
Where did our friends go? I don't know. We have to find them.
You're not itty bitty, little buddy.
But you found the sound. I was crazy.
Choo-choo said it's time I get you back to science. But invite your little friends to tag along too. Guaranteed.
Here comes Abby.
Yeah, you shoot that boy, you.
Well, what'd you think?
I loved it. Fantastic.
Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it?
It is. It's a really great ride. I had so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Golden Outpost here also has Tiana's famous beignets, hot honey chicken with sweet potato fries, and shrimp gumbo with sweet potato fries. Yeah, I mean, we booked the reservation at what, 7 o'clock? We ended up not boarding until when?
Probably like 10.
10:30?
I bet 10:30, 10:45.
Yeah, not bad.
No, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, and the ride itself, the more like I've paid attention to it, is really like picturesque. Like a lot of dark rides and stuff, they don't, you know, a lot of it's flat paintings and stuff. But with Tiana, they really mix like real flowers, real trees and everything with everything on the inside that is obviously man-made, but it's seamless. It's really cool. What I'm trying to say is Tiana's the prettiest girl in school here at the Magic Kingdom.
Oh my gosh.
Totally. Like that ride is beautiful. Stopped into the Emporium here to see the pass holder merchandise for Tiana. It says pass holder on the side. There's a better look. All of our friends. That's cool. Seems like they got a trading pin as well. Wait a minute. What does that look like?
Looks like Rose's hair clip from Titanic. That's very specific, but that's what I thought when I first saw it.
What a fun day, fun morning here at the Magic Kingdom. Glad Abby got to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure and we got to do it again. It was a lot of fun. Goodbye, monorail. See you next time. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Till then, stay weird. Goodbye.